In a class of 20 people, 8 like Ampesi, 12 like Banku and 12 like Fufu, 5 like both Ampesi and Fufu, 6 Banku and Fufu, 2 only Ampesi and 3 like all 3 types of food. Find the number of people in the house who liked only Fufu, exactly 2 types, then only 1 type of Fufu. Now let's go straight to the solution. According to the question, in the class of 20 people, which means the universal set will be 20 because you have 20 people in the class. 8 like Ampesi. Those that like Ampesi, they are 8 in number. Let A represent it. So A is 8. 12 like Banku. So let B represent Banku. That's 12. 12 like Fufu. So those that like Fufu, they are 12 in number. So let F represent Fufu. Okay. Now 5 like both Ampesi and Fufu. Ampesi and Fufu, that is Ampesi intersection Fufu. That's A intersection F. That's and means intersection. So they are 5 in number. Banku and Fufu, that is Banku intersection Fufu. That's B intersection F, which is 6. Then 2 only Ampesi, that's Ampesi only. Ampesi only, they are 2 in number. Then 3 like all the 3 types of food. All. That's A intersection B intersection F. That is 3. They like all the 3. Now let's go straight to the solution. We have 3 sets. So we are going to draw 3 circles that intersect. 3 circles that intersect. That's the Venn diagram. You have A for Ampesi, B for Banku, and C and F for Fufu. F for Fufu. Okay, before we solve it, let me explain some things to you. Okay, now let me use the Venn diagram to explain. Let's say we have A, B, and C. Okay, all calculations start from the center. All. That is all. That is A is there, B is there, C is also is there. That is all. All of them are there. That's intersection of A, B, and F. All of them are there. Everything must start from there. Your calculation must start from there. Now, that arrow, that place is what? A intersection B only. If you can master this, it will help you. This is B only. That is, you can see it's only B that is there. A is not there, C is not there, so it's only B, B only. Look at that place also, that is C only. A is not there, B also is not there. Look at that place, that's A only. B is not there, C is not there, it's only E. Now look at that arrow, that is B intersection C only. It is only B and C that is there, A is not there. Now look at that one, that is A intersection C only. B is not there. You can use your hand to cover that B. You see that B is not there, it's only A and C that is there. So now let's go straight to the solution. That is 3. That is all. All is 3. If you look at the question, 3 liked all 3 types of food. That is 3. Then Ampesi only is 2. So A only, that is 2. Then we have A intersection F. A and F is 5, which means A and F only will be 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay, so that is 2. A and F only. So we're going to write 2 in that place. 2, A and F only. So if we add 2 and 3 together, you see it will be 5. That is A and F. Now look at the whole circle of A. According to the question, Ampesi is what? 8 in total. So if you look at A, 2 is there, 2 is there, 3 also is there. So we are going to get that A and B only, that arrow, we need to remove 2 plus 2 plus 3 from 8. And that will be 8 minus 7, which is 1. So A and B only is equals to 1. So if we add 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 together, inside that A, it will give you 8. Now B and F is 6. B and F is 6. B and F is, which means B and F only will be 6 minus 3. That is 3. So if you add 3 and 3 together, it will give you 6. Now B only will be what? You remove 1 plus 3 from 12. And that will give you 5. So if you add 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 together, you will see that it will give you 12, which is B. That circle of B. Look at the whole circle of B. Now for F only, Fufu only, All fufu is what? 12. What are the numbers inside fufu? 2, 3, 3. So add 2 plus 3 plus 3 together and remove it from 12, and that will give us 4. So we're going to write 4 as fufu only, F only. Okay, now that we have done that, according to the question, we are told to find fufu only, and that will be 4. Fufu only is 4. Then exactly 2 types. Those that eat exactly 2 types, those are A and B only. So they eat A and also B. B and C only, they eat B and also C. Then A and C only, they eat A and also C. So those are the things you are going to add together. That is 1. That is, the second one is 2. That one is also is 3. So we are going to add them together. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that will give us 6. Now the last one is only one type of food. Only one type of food. That's 2, 5, and 4. A only, B only, and F